Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will share with you my 9 time skincare routine. My face is freshly washed. I use the Face Fact Hydrating Cleanser. This is what it looks like. I used to use the one that contains salicylic acid before, but that broke me out like crazy. And it was my fault actually. Salicylic acid is an active, so I was using it morning and night every day for like 2 months straight. It's damaged my skin barrier. When you want to use any skincare product that contains active, you have to like use it maybe 3 times a week, or don't use it every single time. Don't be like me. So now I switched to the hydrating gentle cleanser, and this one contains hyaluronic acid and oats. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, and I've been loving this one so much because it does not leave my face feeling dry, but it cleans my face very well. So I like this. I do not use towel to clean my face because no matter how clean your towel is, it can still harbor bacteria. So I always use this. So yeah, on my face I use the Aqua Licorice Toner. This is like the holy grail for me. I love this toner so much. It contains licorice roots and it is pH balancing, so you can balance the pH of your skin. It's brightening, it's hydrating, and it is good for sensitive skin. Take a screenshot. I don't like putting my toner on cotton pad. I just prefer putting it on my hand and just dab that into my face. Because I am very extra, I like to go in with another layer of toner. This is what we like. Hydrating. So the next product I'll be going in with is my Snail Mucin. This is from Jumiso. I love this Snail Mucin a lot, and I've been using it since last year. This is what is left, so I need to like restock on this. I just put it on my palm. This is the texture. It's thick, but it's not so thick. So yeah, and it's slimy too. It's very hydrating. Contain peptide. So the next product I'm going in with is my Simple Moisturizer. And this moisturizer does not contain nothing. It does not contain fragrance, does not contain any active. It's just a moisturizer. That a little bit, but well, some nights I use castor oil on my face. Most nights actually. I don't know the science behind this, but I just like castor oil. Like, I have dry skin, so when I use castor oil, when I wake up the next morning, my face is still retaining all my skincare. Like, it's still retaining all my skincare, and I look very when I wake up. So that's why I like applying castor oil when I'm done with my skincare. Like, I used to roll my hair. Some nights I oil my scalp, but tonight I'm not oiling my scalp because I oiled my scalp like 2 nights ago. I wear this first because I don't like my hair disturbing me after when I'm sleeping. Like, I want to look like a princess, like a queen. Then I get on my bonnet. Come to the end of this routine. If you stayed to this point and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe to my channel. Let's grow this channel together. I'm trying to grow this channel, so girl, help and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video, and also leave a comment if this video was helpful. And if you have your 9th time routine, share with me your 9th time routine. Let me know in the comment section. Bye. I'm not doing an intro. Watch it because you can get it. I post really